May threat daw tong school ng anak ko. Grabe, nakakatakot. Hindi naman sinabi kung ano yun. So lahat na ng parents sinusundo yung mga anak nila.
Everybody has to stay in the cafeteria. You cannot be in the hallway.
Na-verify na ako. Naantay ko na lang yung anak ko. Kinabahan ako kanina. Pero kalmado naman dito. Sana nga hindi real talaga yung threat. Ang maganda dito, mabilis yung communication. Nag-email agad yung school na kung gustong sunduin yung anak, sunduin na. Pagdating ko dito, may police, may helicopter. So talagang tinitingnan nila yung threat, hindi nila tinitake into granted.
There was never a threat on our campus. They secured every campus in the district just for safety protocols. I thank you for your patience. I know this has been very hard.
Ayun, wala naman daw threat. Buti na lang. Kapahinga na ako. Tayin ko na lang yung anak ko.